In this video, I will show you a solution for your problem if your MacBook keyboard is not working or there's some keys that don't actually work. So one of the best solutions for this is to go to the top right hand corner to the Apple icon and then select System Settings. And then from here, what you will now need to do is you will need to scroll down until you see the option for accessibility. Click on this and you want to scroll down and then select Keyboard. Once we click on keyboard, what you will then be able to do is go down to accessibility keyboard, toggle this option on, and then what this will do is it will give us a floating keyboard on our screen where you'll then be able to type as normal. So if I click in my search bar and then I just type in tutorial, as you can see, it will type as it would normally on a normal keyboard. Now, this is only a temporary solution, but this is a solution that you can use if your keyboard is not working at the moment and you'll be able to type normally as you would. So it's just that simple, guys. That's the solution for a keyboard not working on your Mac.